Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On these tutorials I'll be showing you how to cut sections, slab sections on Prota structure, and also how to do automatic dimensionings for your axis and dimensions for your whatever building you have on Prota. Okay, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and also like this video and comment. Thank you. Let's get right into it. So before that, I'm sure you have been looking for ways to actually cut sections in your slab. If that's the case, you are at the right place. So the first thing we are going to do is that we are going to save, Ctrl S to save our work. After we save, we come to drawings and reports, and you click on Prota details, because this will be happening on Prota details. And give it time to load up your Prota details. Okay, so we're going to start by creating a new drawing. You come to your form plans. Remember, when you come back to Prota structure, you remember we are at story 1. Okay, so you come to your form plan, story 1. You right click on it. You left click first, then you right click on draw. Okay, so it's going to show the top bars, next bars, and you just click on what you want it to show. So this is what we're going to take. So we are going to click on draw, then we place it, click on anywhere on the drawing area there. You give it time for it to load, for it to generate the plan. Okay, that has been done. So this is the plan. This is the plan, as you can see. So to draw dimensions, you come to your detail library. On your ribbon, you come to your detail library, come to automatic dimensions. You click where you want to start your dimensions from. You want to start from here, and you take it to the last. Then you want axis, insert total dimensions. Okay, so you click OK and give it time. It has dimensioned it for you. Okay, you can move this. You highlight this depending on how you want it. You highlight it, and you can move. You can move this to the other side here, and you click it. You notice there are 2 dimensions, one for each from axis to axis, and the one is the overall dimensions. Okay, you can come to your detail library again, automatic dimensions, do the same thing again. You click from the first point, click on the last point, then you move it a bit inside and you click again, click OK. Okay, so you can just do that again. Okay, to get that command again, you can just click on your space bar and to activate the last command again. So you click this, click the last one, then you click any other place and you press OK. Okay, so you are going to be moving this, you are going to be moving the overall dimensions outside, moving the overall dimensions outside. Okay, overall dimensions, you're going to be moving it outside. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so to cut a section for your slab, to have a section detail for your slab, what you should do is you come to your toolbars where you have the icons here, the last row. Okay, and you're going to see this particular icon here, and once you hover around it, you're going to see plan section. So you click on the plan section. Before that, you can end this, you can press escape. Before that, you come to the bottom of your screen, you click on the orthogonal to make sure that whatever line you're drawing is straight. Okay, you come back here, plan section, anywhere you want to cut it at, you can click where you want to, and you move your mouse to the end of it and you click. Okay, once that happens, it is going to take time to produce the section. Okay, so it has produced the section. I can take it anywhere I want to place it. So I want to place it here, and I click here, and it's been placed there. So you notice this is section AA. Okay, you come here, you see the line, cutting line is A and A. All right, so if you look at it, you can actually know what's happening inside the slab. You can see what's happening inside the slab, the bottom rebars and the top rebars. Okay, so that's how you cut plan sections for your slab. You can decide to do it in the other directions, as much sections as you want. Okay, thank you for watching.